Breaking news is coming in. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray meets Prime Minister Modi to discuss the Maratha reservation issue. This meeting is coming just a month after Chief Minister Thackeray wrote to Prime Minister and requested him to take steps to declare the Maratha community in the state as socially and educationally backward, so they could claim reservation in educational institutions and public employment. Remember, the Supreme Court on 5th of May struck down quota for Maratha community, terming it unconstitutional. Paulami is now joining us from Delhi, bringing our viewers up to speed with the very latest. Paulami, this particular meeting of Uddhav Thackeray with the Prime Minister is coming at a time when already the Supreme Court has struck down the quota for Maratha community, terming it unconstitutional. So how does this meeting really help?
Well, remember, after the Supreme Court earlier on in May struck down the reservation which was granted to the Maratha community by the government then in 2018, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, in fact wrote to the Prime Minister and said that it is now only with the Prime Minister's assent and a constitutional amendment that any sort of change can be brought in order to make the reservation which was granted to the Maratha community, I beg your pardon, in employment and in education possible. The Supreme Court, of course, had said that this was not possible because it was exceeding already the caste-based reservation which is prevalent, and the ceiling of that is about 50%, and this was going over and above that, and this was completely against the constitutional position as far as caste-based reservation is concerned. But the Maharashtra government, of course, continues to insist on the same, and today, of course, they will be petitioning the Prime Minister. They are meeting with the Prime Minister at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. The Chief Minister, the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, and Mr. Ashok Chavan, who's also a minister in the state cabinet, with all of the possible amendments that could be brought in terms of the constitutional amendment in order to make this reservation 12% in education and 13% in employment for the Maratha community possible.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks, Paulami, for joining us with the very latest on the story.